Hi guys, so this is the issue I ran into. So I noticed quite a delay, or better to say ramp up, during full throttle. So when I give it full throttle, it does not achieve the speed immediately, it does not have a full torque, yet it has some slow, like a ramp up towards top speed. So let me just show you. So this is 0 throttle, and I will give it quickly full throttle. So it brakes instantly, that's no problem, but like speeding up, there's quite a delay towards achieving top speed. So yeah, that really is going to mess up with my control. Yes, and I'm wondering if any one of you had similar issues, or you know how to find a solution. I basically checked, so this analog voltage here, it gets directly to the VR pin on this chip. So this is standard eBay BLDC brushless motor control. Like there's tons of them all over the internet. And yeah, that's it. Hope I find a solution. See you.